Gucci on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing a headband wig from Julia Hair. So this is how the headband wig came. It came in this satin bag. So this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. And is a 24 inches water wave texture. And they also sent 2 headbands and a stocking cap. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It does have combs and a vehicle strap. Yeah, I don't know what this, like pronouncing this thing is a problem for me actually. So I'm just going to try it on and see what it looks like. So I've already laid down my edges using my edge control and this 3 side brush. So right now I'm just going to put on the wig. Okay, so I don't think this wig will fit. It looks really small. Goodness, like why did they send me a small size wig? What? This has never happened before. Okay, so this is a small size wig. Wow.
It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy, hey, His body baby, oh, hey, His body baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, it's a bad man thing. Bulaka, see, see, I'm a jarulato, I'm a jawaleho. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the
I'm going to try on this headband. Kind of matches with my outfits. I did not plan for this, guys. I didn't plan for it. It just happened, so let me try it out.
By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I want it more. My people, them never want it more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy. Cause you turn me on, now you taking me all night long. Bad man, bossing all the place, them are wanting more. Them are wanting more. See, bossing all the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want.
I really don't see the need to comb this hair. It looks really neat. So I'm just going to use my finger to not detangle because it's not tangled. I don't know, just to arrange it. But the tip is a bit rough, so I'm going to add some moisturizer and use my Derma brush to fix it. So
you don't know, bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. that thing where I go feel me late, nah, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah, nah, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. The bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody.
So guys, this is what the headband wig is looking like, and it is absolutely beautiful. For this headband, I did not plan to wear it, like it just matches with my outfit. I did not plan for it at all. I didn't even remember that I had this color of headband that came with the wig. So this is what it's looking like with my edges showing. This wig is everything, guys, and this has to be the longest headband wig that I currently own. The length is what thrills me. The texture of the hair thrills me as well. At first I thought the wig was small, but it is not small. It just fits perfectly well with my head size, or with the size of my head. This wig can be worn in different styles, so this is the style that I choose to wear it. Come on, look at this headband itself. It's so cute. Wow. Anyways guys, like I said before, this headband wig can be worn in different styles, so this is how I choose to wear it today. And every details of this wig will be in my description box below in case you guys are interested. So that will be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Man I tell him me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, on the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Go digga, she a good digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one digga.
Na me a dance.
Go digga, she a good digga. Man figure, me na run digga. One nigga say really one nigga. Call me emergency.
One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh, ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road.